If you risk like this in Forex, you risk like this, you will actually lose money. You will lose money. You will blow your account. This is why most Forex traders, they start actually losing money, because they are risking in this way. And this is the first account. We go to another account that has $18. We go ahead on it again. Listen, if you do like this, this is, you want to trade the GBP USD. All right, we go to GBP USD. We click sell. Okay, if you trade in this way, you will lose money. You will lose money, because you are risking way too much per trade. You are risking way too much per trade. Now, if you look here, this is the account that we have. This is a real account, okay? And this is what I want to show you, right? I'll show the whole history. We don't want to actually be hiding anything. Let's go to 2018, because this is when I want to show you, even we can say last 3 months, I want to show you the profit and also the losses. And because I love you so much, guys, I would like to actually do more tutorials. You can see this is a real account. There was a withdrawal and all that. So you'll be able to see that you open so many lot size, so many losses. If you do trade like this, you will lose money, right? You will lose money. And I want to show you how to actually avoid such. So now we're on a trade GBP USD. I want to show you the Bozza strategy, how to actually use it and be able to calculate your position sizing. It's simple and easy. Some of us, we do not understand when I'm talking about position, right? When we look here, this is a lot, right? This is a lot size. We're talking about a volume. Now, for you to risk in a better way, so that you know the amount of money that you are risking, the chances that you have for win and for losses. You look here, you see this $20. This is the $20 account, right? Now, since we have the $30 account, we have to divide how much are we risking per trade? How much are we really risking per trade? If right now we're risking, let's say, $2, all right, we're risking $2, then we'll have to go to use our calculator and say the 20 divided by 2, which is give us 10 chances. You can see chance for what? Chance for win, and chance for lose. We have 10 and 10. So, which means we have 10 chances to win, which means making 100% profit without losses, and which is making 100% loss without any win. We have these chances. All right. Now, when we apply a strategy like the Bozza strategy, I want to show you something so that you understand as to how to actually never risk too much of your account. Now, we have the Bozza strategy. Let's actually open our TradeMate 5. Let me show you. This is we have analysis here for analyze the market, and we are selling here. So let me show you on chart. Right. Some of you will be asking me, Bozza, how to actually start trading? Simple. It's simple. Go to open your YouTube app, right, and subscribe to Bozza Trader, right? Subscribe to this channel. Once you subscribe to this channel, watch the tutorial as to how to open trading account, and you click here, and here's the link for actually to open a trading account, and you scroll all the way down. Here's a link for us to join our free WhatsApp group. It is simple, and please follow us on our social media networks so that you don't actually miss out anything. So this is free, and this strategy, I'm sharing it for free so that you can start making money. I've seen traders not making money for many times, and this is the most simplest and easiest strategy that you can use to apply proper risk management. Now, open MetaTrader 5. We're trading the GBP USD. We go to chart, section charts, and let me show you how to actually go on about that. It is simple, but if only we follow the setups. Now, here's what's happening on the Bozza strategy. You can see here, this is the low for the day. We mark it like this, right? Once we mark it, we want to see the color candlestick, the bars closing below and going all the way down and coming back, come back up. And once they do that, we see the engulfing here. This is the first engulfing for entry, second engulfing for entry, and now we know we are on a selling area here. Stop loss goes here, all right, goes there, and take profit goes here. So how do we set that? It's simple. You see this feature here? We tap this SL here once, all right? You can see this SL and TP. We start with the SL. and we move it here, you can see how much money we are risking here. So which means if right now we are risking 0.42 per 0.01, this trade here 0.01, then now we have to times, like, how many position do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. 0.42 times 7, that is 0.42 times 7. You can see how much money we are risking here. You see? So if you go above risking too much, maybe let's say we are risking $10, $30, $40 per trade, while you have a small account, then you will not survive longer enough. It's better to at least have 10 chances. For me, I like to keep it at 20 plus chances going above. So with that 20 will be divided by which is 2.90 something. All right, so which means you have 6 chances. So risking in this way is a no. It's better to actually what? It's better to 20 divided by 10 chances, which means I'll need to risk exactly $2. So I'll need to actually fix that, which means I'll need to actually remove some of the trades here. So I'll close maybe one and close this one and click here, hold, close position. And now once I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's better, right? Because I have the $20 account there. I trust you understand. I trust you really do understand. So now we have a sell here. In the morning, we had a sell on gold using the Bozza strategy. We can also scan Euro USD and see what's happening on Euro USD. We're expecting to take a sell here. You can see here. We can place a sell limit there. Place a sell limit there. Let's do that using we're taking a sell there. This is the low, all right? And we had a break and we're coming to just area. We set this SL above here. Now the SL, you can see how much is this. We can now increase the lot size to, let's say, 0.5 and click down. And let's see. You can see now we're risking 1.45. So we can now increase it to 7 and then we click down. You can see now the risk is now 2.03, which is better. Now the TP, take profit, it's here. So you can see how much money we're expecting to profit. So now, since we can click here, let's click and then place the sell limit. For some of you who do not know how to set sell limit, please let me know in the comment section below. We tap here, we see this sell limit over here, and profit is 18. So if right now we have the $18 profit on 34, we say that 18 divided by 2.03 to get the risk to reward ratio. How much are we risking to profit? So we can use our calculator and say the 18.34 divided by 2.03, which is, you can see where it's 1:9 risk to reward ratio. This is how you get it. Now, win rate, we are looking at how many trades you are winning or how many trades you are losing. So do not confuse win rate with risk to reward ratio. And also we have the accuracy rate. So do not confuse the accuracy rate with wins to reward ratio. And I trust you understand. So now we're expecting to take a sell. Let me show you the one of a gold this morning that we had this morning of gold XAU USD. And the Nasdaq also, if you like to trade Nasdaq, we had a sell here in the morning. All right, we had the low for the day here and we broke. This is the engulfing. The sell was here, stop loss was here, take profit was here. It is simple. So I'm teaching you this so that you know what you need to do. Do not be like this. All right, do not be like this. All right, and we can go back this side, and you see I have a $1,000 account here, which is an account that I'm actually not gonna risk like recklessly. So I don't have a trade here, and I'm waiting to actually take trades. But since I'm doing tutorials and we can click here on history, you'll be able to see the account. We can click on last 3 months, last what is still here. This is the money that I transferred, I deposited, and I'm now waiting for actually to take trades. You can click here. This is a broker that I'm using. For you to actually use the same broker that I'm using, for me, since some of the traders, they are confused about the strategy, I have a YouTube channel. Please make sure that you subscribe here. I post tutorials. And for you to register trading account with the broker that I'm using, here's the broker here. Register here, tap here, and you register trading account. It's simple. We have another tutorial as to how to register trading account. Now, I trust you can see. So that's how you actually risk, because once you are actually risking in this way, the market, the forex market, has many ways for making you to lose. So it is important to actually apply this risk in this way. Now, when you apply risk in this way, some of the traders are asking me, Bozza, what about full margin? What about full margin? Full margin is another. We have another tutorial on this channel whereby I explain how actually full margin works, how to actually not be fooled by full margin. Full margin is, this is, you know, when we're trading the market, we are influenced in such a way that this is just something that is easy to understand. The margin here, just to give you something, the margin here, the margin works with leverage. So the higher the leverage, and you go full margin, the easier you will blow the account. The lower the leverage, and the margin will go higher. But if the leverage is higher, the margin will go low, and that will actually lead you to blow the account in an instant. So make sure that, if right now you're asking me, Bozza, what about the 1% to 2% rule? No, that will confuse you in most cases, because if you apply the 1% here, it will be challenging for you to actually get it right. So to get it right, it's simple. You just divide how much money you deposit. If you deposit $50 or $1,000, then now you will see that, okay, I deposited $1,000. Let's say $1,000, just like me. You deposited $1,000, and then you say divide by the you like to have, maybe let's say 50 chances, which means you will need to risk $20 per trade. It is simple. $20 per trade. And if you can take it like this and say 1,000 divide by $20, it means that you will have 50 chances. Simple and easy. It's simple and easy to understand. It's not that difficult to understand this information. So I trust you understand. So stay blessed and watch another tutorial. And as I explain the full margin, how it works, how you actually avoid going full margin if you have higher leverage of 1:1,000 and above. So I trust you understand. Stay blessed, and I love you all. I'll see you in another tutorial. And if you have any questions, let me know.